Okay, so I'm working on some, I wanted to have some really pretty um, napkin rings downstairs. So I have these Dollar Tree napkin rings here and Dollar Tree Bling Bling. I'm cutting one strand off. I'm going to put it completely around with hot glue. And then I have these. Here's some different ones that I thought about doing, but I got these at probably Michael's, when they were on sale. So I have 4 of those, and so I actually just hot glued it to the front. So I will show you what it looks like after I get my napkins in there. Okay, I'll be back.
You so much for watching my channel. You guys are just the best. And if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, and we'll see all you good people later. Bye-bye.